Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people from Untouchable Mama. How na day? I greet you now. Also, na dey enjoy yourself. My brothers and sisters, you get this video where I want to talk about. So, this video happen for Napoli. About this our brother. We say na Ogbalegbe. Or Finyewo where? Say na Ogbalegbe. I think na for many people don't see am. My brothers and sisters, why it be say some of our people, some of them, they know the hear word. Why they know the hear word? They go say na Odeshi. Now brother, you want for do Odeshi. They say make everybody enter house, make them not come out. You say na your head, na strong pass. Okay, see this one now where they say see what they do to a leg. Because I no wan call the name because this audio wan go YouTube. See say what they do to a leg. They tell una mona sit down for his house, una son not the hear word. May I tell some of una when I know the hear word so. Italian people, their brain now, it don't furry. It don't furry. Because of everything where they happen now. They not get joy again. Mona let her enter on her head. If they say more everybody enter house, Mona enter. They not say me only Italian people enter house. Everybody. As far as say you don't dey for their land, what did they talk? Mona they respect them. Mona they respect them. Mona men are not they breathe shame to. We were good for his side. If they want to talk and they'll say Nigerian, they'll say Nigerian. They start to, they'll not say some of them. They'll just say nah everybody. Where they say not be everybody. All this one we just come for Libya, where they don't even get, they know they hear one, they know they hear two. Not be all of them, some of them. Not be all, because some of them will see that they understand. Maybe not because they understand the language where they speak. I don't know. If you don't know, they understand. Now, 5 persons, some still they will still they speak English most more. Now, ask them say, what did it mean? What did it mean? So now say, tutti a casa. If they go still tell you now, See this one now. See what he happen to now for a leg, Like say now another thing now. Like say now another thing now. Say just still lost he lost his life for them. Now the same thing because they tell us say una sit down for his house. Una say now Odeshi say nothing they happen to una. So now because of say una get get the land for them. So now one rule land for them. Me I no understand how our people say they do something. And later now they talk say Italian not like black people. Whereas now not be saying because of say I marry Italian man. No, now they love we black. Now they love us pass. Me I see they talk anywhere where I go, anywhere where I dey. Italian are my first home. Do you understand? Before my country. Why? Because now here for make all my family. Now here for marry. Now I get my whole house. No matter say Nigeria all day, but they take me as their own. Many blacks where they don't save for where they come from Libya. They say mona sit down for inside house. Oh, the samagi waya total you over. Which kind people be all this one? All of them get their own problem now. Everybody, people will get activity. All of them they close everything down because of this thing where they go on. So una think say that they happy. You don't know how much they lose every day by day. The money where they lose, una don't know. They say una sit down for his house. Una say una no they hear words. Una no sit down for his house. So una go see they work up and down. If una see anything, una see, una not cry on social media. Una go see beyond, una carry on because una use una hand take concern. Because if you there for inside that kind of thing not go happen to you. And some of them they talk for the video say na Ogbalegbe na do am. Na lie, Ogbalegbe no fit do that kind of thing. Ogbalegbe no fit do that kind of thing. Wetin Ogbalegbe go do, you go carry you put for fresco na be inside prison, go put you for inside there. Since you no wan hear word, you go hear word by force for there. Una no dey hear one, una dey hear two. The country wey no be una own, wey dey even carry una say as their own, they even treat una pass sef. They treat all these our people, they treat una well pass their own people. No be lie. If you reach road now, you will see the Italian person where they born for here, they sleep for road, they not get house where they sleep. They not mind them. But all this our black way come from Libya, they put una for inside house. Because Italian people, we they call them say they molto orgoglioso. That is they want make people, they don't want make foreign and they talk say then they bad. That means they do all that things. They do everything by all means. Make people for they love them. But yet people still they talk say now the wars pass for Europe. It's not bad. But we were there inside, we know say not lie. Because if you not see the country where it was, you not see man take talk. Because of say Italia, they're quiet, they good to many people. So now make una they use them like that. And they will tell them say, sit down for it. No, if you go try for Germany now. When Germany go tell them say, Mona do like this, you must obey the law. If you not obey, and the next thing you go see yourself for your country. Since you say you know they obey their law, you go see yourself for that side. Because it don't take away Italian country don't deport last. It don't take where they don't, because they're not the do. You will see our people, they go carry up, they go do anyhow, they go cause sound, they go do as they like, which is very bad. You know they for your own country, you know they your land. When they talk for the land where you dey, now you go they obey. If they say make everybody they waka they go, you go still follow them. If they say everybody wanna stand, you know go still follow them stand. You know say who are you? And I can't stand. You not reach to tell me. You know they for your land. Some of our brothers, more now wake up. More now no son and no day on a place. Not be when they'll come hold on now because as everything they hot now, more now not let them make them put the pepper body for you, If person they tell now say una no one here. Because everywhere they hot, they don't get peace. They don't get joy because their country they worse every day by day. Maybe una not they hear. Una not they hear the language. You know miss. Then they even they talk and even wanna go BBC waiting then they come. Wanna go they listing for them. Since una not they hear their language when they speak. Wanna go they listing. Wanna not let them converse past the one where they so because then they talk and say all this thing where they go on. So when they talk and say you know the whole black now only white is the whole. Who tell you that? Even though say you know even the whole black say now white is the whole. Can't you obey the law? You know if you sit down for inside house. Maybe you want to go buy something, buy what you want to see buy, run, go inside, see the other one they dance for us, say he be black, not if they do one. But if something call you now, they can't tell you, say, we not get bed to put you now, you will call the cry, say, they be bad person, say they don't want to treat you. Because they don't they shout now, they don't they cry, say, no bed, no instrument to treat people. No one here, no they understand. Me, I don't know what they do. Some of our people, now so another one. I think last week, I be 2 weeks ago, they say our girl, that one just carry a body, go road, go stand, they find money, they go. I don't know the kind of money where they find, they go. Money where you don't find, you not see. Now where this thing can't happen, now where they say everybody lock yourself for his house, now you can't say you want to go find money. I don't know what they do then. My brothers and sisters, I not too much get much to say because I just see the video, the thing now 2 video now I see like that. This one where say now Ogbalegbe na do something for elect. That one na proper lie. Ogbalegbe no fit do that one. No fit do. Maybe now another Italian people where they verse. All of them they verse. So una no. All of them they verse because their country it don't turn upside down. Now not know how many people they don't lose because now they hear the language where they speak for now. That's why now know the kind pain where they una for carry on and put for his house. If you not see themselves, you not go they hide they go because they don't get joy at all now. One year who like it here, who not like it no here. If you see what you see, nobody go help you. Now you know that kind. Now you know. They will they leave their people says. Then they tell them say bed, no, they will not get bed because you know what they call exariment. instrument not there. They want try to build another hospital now, urgent. Una no one hear word. First of all, they go take care of their people. More than the year. First of all, now their people, then they go take care of. If anything happens, since una say on head, una no one hear wetin they talk, una no like to listen to wetin they talk. If something happen to una, they go leave una for there. First of all, now their people, then they will treat. If you like, you like am. If you not like, now you know. Since they tell you say sit down for his house, you say you know they hear. Say now outside you want go. If anything where you see for there, you go take calm. Because if you obey the law, something good not go happen to you. More than the thought say now she not there for this one. More than open her eye. So my brothers and sisters, now just small one now, just say me I just quit up. As I see the video, the thing they vex me, the thing they pay me, and I say, waiting they happen to some of our people when their brain they no want use and tell listing, then the thing say they still dey home. When you know say for our own, now you go they do anyhow, you go they do no. If you don't come up for them, you enter any another man country where you dey, you go they respect the law where they put for them. If you not respect even their own people say no, I not see video one video where I still put they arrest them. Since you know if now their people when still come out, they carry and go put them for jail. Yes. Because they never start to they carry our own people now. When they will come start now, to someone will come carry video. Hey, see Italian person, say they not like black. Una come they carry on live video they put for there. Say you know see how they treat our black. They treat una well. Now no they treat this. Now no they treat una self. Now no they treat una self well. As I felt talk, if you reach road, you go see all this way they call them say babon. They go there for road. They don't get where to sleep. Our own people where they carry for river, they will carry them put for house. They go still they give una food. They go someone still respect the law. Una go say no. So my brothers and sisters, who want hear me here? Who no want hear? Now you know what look on me. When you will see what you see. Now your body dey not be my own. So if you not like una hear, if you not like, mona still they go. When they come give them. I don't know as I'll talk because everywhere they hot. Everywhere they hot. Mona close on herself for his house. Or let's say you get what you want to go buy for pharmacy or you want to go make a spacer. Now you go just carry yourself. Spacer inside house. If you not get, say you want just go the waka up and down. Say nowadays she not in the apple. If I see you for there, they put you for prison. Maybe from there because they'll just start may they even start themselves. Just they carry all those one wey no wan hear words. Just they throw away them for their country. Now you go even better pass because if you know obey the law where the land where you dey, you better go to your own country. See they not train you well. So my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, please, if you want watch, if you watch this audio, you not like what I talk, I beg, no just put bad comments. Put your own opinion because not the way I talk for here now way bad. I know say some people not go still like her. That one not be problem not there. But if you like her, I bet may you like the video. See share am to other people where see they where you go see put am for their brain because it good make we dey tell ourselves truth. Italy now it dey hot like pepper where they put for person eye. Every day, every blessed day, then they lose money. Then they lose money, and at that money, then they use say they pay people where they work. You now see now everywhere don't close. All their body it dey hot. So why can you just make money do why be more than lock on yourself for his house?